Hi! If you want to figure out how I made these butterfly cupcakes, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's my first time making butterfly cupcakes. So the things you'll need is vanilla extract, flour, sugar, salt, and butter. Everything's 50 grams except from the salt. So first you put in the butter, then you put the sugar in, and you mix it together.
If you don't want to mix for a long time, you can melt the butter. But it's not taking long, it's just 1 minute. And
then you put in the egg.
ooh, well done. That's always a tricky thing, isn't it?
Yeah, you mix it. Whoops. Looks like icing. Now you put a pinch of salt and add your 50 grams of flour in.
Remember guys, you can make more cupcakes by just making 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter, and 100 grams of sugar.
It looks like dough.
It looks like dough, yeah. It's already looking good. And she didn't use any mixer. You can see she just used the spatula, so you don't need a mixer to make cake.
Even
oh, that looks
mixer
good.
is faster.
A mixer is faster, isn't it? Yeah. But then you have a lot of washing up to do if you use a mixer. This one, you just need one bowl and one spatula. When do you know you can stop?
Once a minute. Now you get 2 spoons, and you get a whole spoon, and you scrape it out into the silicone cupcake things.
This size should make about 6 cupcakes. Yeah, you can use it to make a big cake if you don't want to make a cupcake. It's the same recipe and you will have a lovely sponge cake. Butter your pan and put it in a pan if you don't want cupcakes. But Jaysiel is making cupcakes today.
Butterfly cupcakes.
Butterfly cupcakes, sorry, madam.
Remember that you don't need to overfill it because we added self-raising flour.
Well, so what does self-raising flour do?
It makes it puff up.
Yeah, so it's going to puff up, so don't overfill your cupcakes when you put it in.
That's will puff up too much.
If puff up too much, yeah. Then it will flow over.
All over
the oven, yeah.
because you put too much in everyone.
Then you have to do a lot of cleaning up. Nobody wants to clean up a lot of mess.
No, not today.
Not today, honey.
Put some more.
You're doing good division there, Jaysiel.
Put these cupcake things, and then we're gonna put them inside the pan.
Or you can put them in the pan before you put the cupcakes, the cakes inside. Is any way you like, right?
Yeah. The oven is already heated, so, and you put it in for 15 minutes. It's ready to put in the oven, and make sure you get an adult to help you with this.
After 15 minutes and the cupcake is ready, we chilled it in the fridge and we want to make it look like this, which is a butterfly cupcake, which is what we're after. So Jaysiel will take them out. So either you take them out of the cupcake paper or your silicone mat or just your cupcake tray. All the cupcakes are out of the silicone mats, and the next step, big sister will help Jaysiel do it. Over to Jana, yay, special guest, because she has to use knives and this knife is quite sharp. So basically what she's doing, she's cutting off the muffin top or the cupcake top. Muffin or cupcake tops for all the cupcakes. You can skip this part. As you can see, the cupcake is really nice and fluffy already. You can just go ahead and eat it like this, or you can make it look presentable and wow your friends. So how did you know the cupcake was ready?
Because I used a little stick, a clean little stick, and then I put it in and it was all clean.
Use either a skewer or a fork or anything and poke the cupcake and it comes out clean, you know it's what?
Ready.
Good. So you cut the cupcake top into 2. So now the next stage is to put icing on the cupcake. Just say you're using just one hand, you're strong. So it doesn't matter how you pipe it, it doesn't have to be neat, but you put your icing good. Then you put the butterfly wings, which is the 2 halves. So she's just gonna put the wings of the cupcakes, which is the tops of it that we took off and cut into 2. And then now you can just garnish it with sprinkles or with a little bit of jam or raisins. You can put eyes with raisins if you like. Ta-da! Look at that, awesome. It looks like a bowl, yeah? We're just gonna repeat the same process for the rest of the cupcakes. Wow, you're such a fast learner, Jaysiel. Well done.
It's the finished product. If you want to make some butterfly cupcakes.
Look at how gorgeous they look. I can't believe this is the first time you're doing it, Jaysiel. That's amazing. Give me 5. Dang, wow. 6-year-old, 6 cupcakes, butterfly cupcakes, looking amazing. You're awesome, Jaysiel. Guys, if you want to try this out, you saw how easy the recipe is, right, Jaysiel? They should try it out, shouldn't they? Yeah. And they should leave it a
Thumbs up.
and do what?
Comment down below.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Jaysiel will really appreciate it, right?
Yeah.
Till next time, keep
Living, loving, and laughing.
bye. Why is your voice low, Jaysiel?
Because I have a cold.
She has a little bit of a cold, so pardon her. This is not her usual her usual self, but she's quite excited to do this cake because she's been wanting to do it all by herself. You've done a cookie before,
Yeah,
right?
but Jimin's been helping.
Jamin helped you, so she was insisting she wanted to try to bake all by herself. So go ahead. So how easy that was. Jaysiel did those lovely cupcakes all by herself. She even did the measuring, and this is what she used. So if you're wondering how your child will be able to measure and they're still very young, this measuring cup is quite good because they can see the items. So she just measured 50 grams of sugar and 50 grams of flour, and then also 50 grams of butter. So yeah, try it out.